Have you ever noticed that someone's way of standing, smiling, facial expressions contradicts what they are saying? That's because non-verbal communication is an unspoken element of everyday communication. It may surprise you that most of our communication on a daily basis is non-verbal, such as facial expressions, gestures, or even how we hold ourselves when we are standing. That's the reason why many people question, why is non-verbal communication so important? According to studies, non-verbal communication affects our communication by around 60 to 90%. That is why how we say becomes more important than what we are saying. If I tell you to depict a person who is angry, would you be able to show with your facial expressions? Yes, right? If I ask you to depict a person who is sad, would you be able to show that through your body language? That's correct, right? In this video, I am going to share you how you can use body language, which is such an extremely part of communication, to your advantage so you can feel more happy, confident, and professional. When things are going badly, it can be difficult to smile. However, a study that was conducted in the year 2003 by Simon Sechal and David Ladd found that faking a smile can deceive your brain into thinking that you are happy by generating feel good hormones known as endorphins. This might appear strange to you, right? Why should I just smile for the sake of it when I'm not feeling happy? Well, as I said, the research says that you can trick your brain into feeling happy by just showing a fake smile. So just find a reason to smile if you're not feeling happy or if you're feeling sad or depressed that moment on. That will trick your brain into understanding that you have reasons to smile and that you have reasons to be happy. If you're not able to find any reason to smile, just smile at the thought that if you smile, someone else will smile back. And if this happens in reality, then you can have a real smile because you saw that person smiling and you reverted back. So, how we portray our body language that is read by our brain instantly, and that can really have a big impact on our mood and mental health. Imagine a situation where there's a person who is happy and feeling very high on life. How would that person appear? What would their facial expression be? How would they be standing? Is there a particular way they'd be moving? Where might their hands be? Are they likely to be making any gestures? What tone will their voice be in? How fast or slow would they be talking? If you change your body language to feel happy and to feel good, automatically your brain will read that and your overall vibration will rise. But won't you question that I am not really feeling happy, so how can I fake it? Well, the concept of fake it until you make it has been proven by research several times in the past. So why not take advantage of this research to become more happy, professional, and peaceful in your life? Let me give you another example here. Muhammad Ali famously said, to become a great champion, you must believe you are the best. And if you're not, pretend you are. Take, for example, Ali's fight with Sonny Liston. Just before the fight, Ali was an underdog, but he chose to act like he was going to whoop Liston, boasting and bragging about it to fans. And in the fight, he did it and he won. Till now, we have been seeing the importance of smile and having positive gestures on your mind. Now, let us see the importance of a power pose. Amy Cuddy, a very well known researcher and renowned person who has done a lot of research in the field of body language, said about the importance of the power pose that we are going to discuss further in this video. According to a research paper co-authored by Cuddy, doing one of the three power postures for 2 minutes a day can result in a 20% spike in the confidence hormone testosterone and a 25% decrease in the stress hormone cortisol. According to the article, the so-called power poses are a quick and easy method to feel more powerful and confident. In true sense, the power pose becomes a very useful technique to instantly transform your confidence level. And this confidence, once you will be faking it, but once you match it with your vibrations, this fake confidence will immediately turn into true confidence. A lot of speakers practice the power pose before going onto the stage. They act like a very powerful and a very, very confident person just before going onto the stage. So they feel much more confident on the stage by changing their body language. Igni Cuddy, in her research, says if you feel like you shouldn't be somewhere, fake it. Do it not until you make it, but until you become it. And this line is extremely powerful. Read it twice. There is one phrase, practice makes a man perfect. This phrase is very true in terms of body language. Keep practicing altering your body language so your outer appearance can change and your mind can be tricked accordingly. The more you practice, the more you will appear confident and true. This fakeness, that phrase, that fake it until you make it, will start to appear more true to others and more genuine. The more you alter your body language to feel more happy, confident, and professional, the more it will start appearing to others. Body language is an unspoken element of communication, and it is extremely important while giving presentations, job interviews, and many more situations.